Now we add up a few words, excuse me. So if we want to make something, you know, we can say estoy bien, but what if you are very well? What do you say? You need to put a little word in between estoy and bien, right? So we say el muy, very good. So we're gonna need muy, which means very. Now that you know some other adjectives, you can use these to increase that word, right? So you can say estoy muy cansada, estoy muy contenta, estoy muy preparada, I'm very prepared, I'm very ready. Estoy muy triste, okay? Now we have the opposite. What if we want to say the opposite of very? Just a little bit. What do we say? I think this is very popular. A lot of students know this. Un poco. Jeffrey, very good. Yeah, él, un poco. Muy bien. Also, un poquito, right? Have you heard that before? Un poquito, a little bit. Estoy un poquito cansada. In Spanish, we have this thing with diminutives, right? So we say un poquito. Some people even say estoy cansadita, cansadito, right? Just because that's something we do. Okay, so same idea here. You can say estoy un poquito triste, estoy un poquito aburrido.